This is a Horizon StitchLiner 5500 saddle stitching collating booklet making system. We'll walk through the features real quick and then we're going to do a little test for you. So it's set up like a standard, it is set up as a saddle stitcher, not just a regular not just a single face trim and a flat staple. It does have a true saddle accumulator and 3-knife trimmer. It actually has a 4th and 5th knife attachment. We'll go ahead and run through everything. We got 2 towers here, 2 10-bin towers. This is the main tower. This is the secondary tower. You can feed all your different pages and your covers through here. We just got a couple of bins set up and a pink cover. You have a stacker here. This is set up so if you're doing any mechanical binding or any perfect binding, you can use the towers to make sets down here. And there's a dolly that rolls away when you're not utilizing the saddle stitcher. The next item here on the corner is the accumulator folder. That's going to accumulate your sheets and then fold them before going onto the saddle. Over here we have the saddle stitching area. There's a total of 4 Honer 43/6S heads. 2 are currently in the machine. This is your touchscreen interface here. You save all your jobs. You can send jobs to it. You know, size, thickness, everything. It's a fully automated setup. Over here we have the HTS30. This is your 3-knife trimmer, which also has a 4th and 5th knife attachment. We do not currently have it on the machine, but it does have a 4th and 5th knife running 2-up books and 2 extra heads that you can install to run the two books simultaneously. You have the delivery conveyor here, and there is also a scrap extraction down there. You'll see that chrome piece in there. That is the for the paper trim scraps. This is the blower here, and then it pushes it up this tube, and you just roll a hopper underneath this setup right here for all your trim scrap. Keep your shop nice and clean. There is a number of parts over here. Where are they at? Over there. Sorry, this way. We have all the manuals for the heads, the stitching heads, and the Horizon, all the Horizon components. Those are the 2 extra heads for either switching them out or the 4th and 5th knife. There's some other accessories, extra sets of blades, some grease guns, etc. over there, and an extra dolly for the stacker if you're doing that for making sets. And then there's like tools and spare parts and all kinds of stuff in there. Full StitchLiner setup. We're going to go and do a little test here. These are just some of the ones we were doing setting up. There it's going. You can see the sheets coming down here. They go through the stacker when you're not using it. This is the accumulator and it's folding there. Coming in here, going onto your saddle, laying down 2 staples. There's the turn. There's also a hand feed section there for refeeding books. This is your trimmer here. Face trimming. And your side trims. And here are our booklets coming out. We're about to run out of paper, so I'm going to shut it off before we run out of paper. But there's some nice booklets here. Grab one out. Nice clean staples. Get your little booklet. Yep, Horizon StitchLiner, 2 towers. You can also set it up with like a HOF feeder or something like that in line if you want to do digital work. You'd have to buy that additionally and have it configured for that. You can add that as well. StitchLiner 5500 system with a 4th and 5th knife and all the trim extraction.